So where we live, we've got a problem with hard water, and what I decided to install is something called an aquanate from Screwfix. Costs £40, £46. With a nice box like this.
It's made by BWT. Best water technology.
Yeah. Nice simple instructions. Yeah. Fits from 15mm to 35mm piping. Needs a normal power supply. Yeah. Basically 2 screws on the wall. We've put ours here because it's all going to be boxed in at some point, and you get a length of wire, 2 lengths of wire. They plug in there, and you wrap it around 12 times, and then you cut the ends off and push these things on, tie it up. You secure it at one end there with a cable tie around the pipe, and then another cable tie we put at the end and across the bit of wire that's finishing. See how we've done it there? Yeah, and it's held it in place nice and tight. Red light there flashing to say it's got power and it's working. There's not a lot more else to say about it. It looks a fairly good quality product. It was easy to install, looks fairly tidy and neat. If it does what it says it does, then absolutely brilliant.
What pipes does it fit?
15 to 35mm. That's basically it. And what you need to install it, a couple of raw plugs. I think it came with them actually, but we used our own. You need a masonry drill bit, and you need a pair of pliers to cut the wire. Literally just wrap it around 12 times around the wire, the copper pipe, and that's it. Anyway, if you're looking for a simple solution for hard water areas, keep the lime scale away, protect your washing machine, dishwashers, showers and things like that. That might be a solution for you. That's our incoming supply there, so make sure it's on your incoming supply before it reaches anything at all, any appliance or shower or anything. Yeah. Anyway, I hope that helps you with the decision whether to buy a lime scale, electronic lime scale reducer.